हेलो एवरीवन। आज आम प्रीवियस ईयर रे आसीथिबा कंप्यूटर केतोटी क्वेश्चन देखिबा। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची WAN स्टैंड फॉर। WAN रो फुल फॉर्म होची A वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, B वाइड एरे नेट, C वायरलेस एरिया नेटवर्क, D वायर्ड एरिया नेटवर्क। राइट आंसर होची वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, ऑप्शन A। Then web pages are written using A, option A HTTP, option B HTML, option C URL, option D FTP। तो राइट आंसर होची HTML, ऑप्शन नंबर B। Then next question, unsolicited email is called A backbone, B news group, C on Usenet, D spam। राइट आंसर होची D spam। नेक्स्ट, which facility can you use in MS Word to merge and print multiple document? जो फैसिलिटी यूज करी MS Word रे merge and print multiple document? A mail merge, B print preview, C print merge, D none of the above। right answer होची A mail merge। and next question, what program is used in MS Word to check the spelling? What program is used to MS Word to check the spelling? Spelling check करने को program यूज होता है? A spell check, B Outlook Express, C speller, D none of the above। 45 right answer spell check। In MS Word, every command is available in A letter, B menu, C software, D printer। right answer होची option number B menu। Editing a document consists of reading through the document you have created, then editing a document consists of reading through the document। editing document करवार चले फर्स्ट रीडिंग करवार document ता you have जहाँ क्रिएट करूँ तापर आम कौन करवार चे? डिलीटिंग इट, करेक्टिंग एनी एरर, ना सेविंग इट, ना डी प्रिंटिंग इट। राइट आंसर होची ऑप्शन नंबर बी करेक्टिंग एनी एरर्स। इन वर्ड यू कैन यूज वर्ड आर्ट। वर्ड रे you can use word art to delete text, na save text, na format text, na D make copies। 148 रो right answer होची D make copies। then next question, which among the following print commands should be selected to print first 5 pages of document? Which among the following print commands should be selected to print first 5 pages of document? Which print command used to print first 5 pages of document? A page control, B print all, C from dash to dash, then D page setup। right answer होची option number C from to। the next question, what is the default font in MS Word? MS Word रो default font कौन होता है? A Times New Roman, B Calibri, C Gathonic Bold, D Arial। right answer is Calibri body, option number B। one cell format can be copied to another cell by using A format setting, B format checking, C format painter, D format showing। right answer होची C format painting। then question number 152, in Excel each sheet in a workbook is displayed as tab, A marker, B arrow, C tab, and none of the। the right answer is in Excel each sheet in a workbook is displayed as C tab। Then what do you use to create a chart in Excel? To create a chart in Excel, A. Chart wizard, B. Data wizard, C. Excel wizard, and D. Pie wizard. The right answer is option number C. Chart. So option number A. Chart wizard. Which function is used to display the current date and time in a cell? বর্তমান ডেট অ্যান্ড টাইম শো করিবার ଅଛି which function is used? Right answer is A. Now, B. D. C. Current, D. Today. Right answer is 155 now. ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ରହିଗଲା 154. In a spreadsheet, which button do you click to add up a series of number? Spreadsheet रे which button do you click to add up a series of number को add करबार छ को button यूज करा जाते हैं? The formula button, A. The B. The quick total button, C. The total button, and D. The auto sum button. The right answer है D. Auto sum button. Which function is used to join two cell in Excel? Which function is used to join two cell in Excel? A. Merge and center, B. Wrap text, align, and join cell. Right answer is merge. Which function is used to join two cell in Excel? A. Merge and center, B. Wrap text, C. Align, D. Join cell. Right answer A. Merge and center. Then in Excel, columns are labeled as A. Option A. A1, A2, A3, B. 1, 2, 3, C. $A, $1, $B, $2, D. A, B, C. In Excel, columns are labeled as option number D. A, B, C. Then display each slide of the PPT as a thumbnail and is used to rearrange them. Each slide of the PPT as a thumbnail and is used to rearrange them. Right answer is A. Slide sorter, B. Slide design, C. Slide display, D. Slide show. So 159 row. Right answer is slide sorter. Option A. Now the question regular 150. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? New Excel file ଯେତେବେଳେ create କରୁ କେତୋଟି sheet ଥାଏ by default? तो option number 2, 3, 4, 1. Right answer is option number B, 3. Then which shortcut key is used to exit from the slideshow? Slideshow ରୁ exit କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ shortcut key use ହୋଇଥାଏ? Right answer is A. Shift, B. Alt, C. Escape, and D. Enter. Right answer is D. C. Escape. Which file format can be added to a PowerPoint presentation? So point .gpg, point .wab, point .gif. So all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Then which of the following is not one of the PowerPoint view? The PowerPoint view कोड करना है presentation view, outline view, slide view, and slideshow view. So right answer is B. Outline view. In PowerPoint presentation, movie clip can be inserted but not sound clip. Sound clip can be inserted but not movie clip. Both cannot be inserted. Both can be inserted. Right answer is option number D. Both can be inserted. Both movie clip can be inserted and sound clip also inserted. The slide that is used to introduce a topic and set the tone for the presentation is called. The slide that is used to introduce a topic. The slide which is used to introduce a topic and set the tone for the presentation is called A. Graph slide, B. Bullet slide, C. Title slide, table slide. Option number C, that is title slide. What is the default page setup orientation of slide in PowerPoint? PowerPoint presentation or default page setup orientation. A. Landscape, B. Portrait, C. Vertical, D. None of the above. The right answer is Option A, landscape. PowerPoint presentations are widely used as project presentation by students, communication of planning, not outline for teacher. D, all of the above. Right is all of the above. Then dash is processed by the computer into information. Dash is processed by the computer into information. A, number, B, data, C, output, and D, processor. 168. Option is processor. Right answer is option D. And computer virus is a software, bacteria, freeware, or hardware. Computer virus is a software, bacteria, freeware, hardware. Right answer is it is a software. What is backup? Copy to save a data from original source to other destination, access data from tape, connection of one network to more important, filter and old data from new data. The right answer is backup means copy to save a data from original source to other destination. Option A. And next question. What is called the starting of an operating system? Operating system. A, formatting, B, starting, C, booting, and entering. Option number C, booting. Then what is the shortcut key for refresh? F3, F5, F4, and F2. Right answer is shortcut key for refresh is F5. If the displayed system time and data is wrong, you can reset it using displayed system time and data is wrong, then you can reset it using A, write file, calendar, C, write, and D, none of the above. Right answer is write file, calendar, C, wire. Right answer is none of the above. One question left. Uh, 167. What is the best way to create another copy of a slide? From insert menu to choose duplicate slide. Redo everything on the new slide that you had done on previous slide. Click the slide, press Ctrl A and paste in new slide. The right answer is from insert menu choose duplicate slide. Option A. One 73. Option D, none of the above. Then Windows display various options to shut down. Which is suitable at the end of the day? Windows display show various options to shut down. A, sleep, B, hibernate, C, restart, and D, shut down. Right answer is option D, shut down. Two kind of main memory in a computer are A, primary and secondary, soft disk, hard disk, direct and sequential, cache, virtual. Right answer is option number A, primary and secondary. Which of this program will you choose to write a letter to the head of an institute? Which of the program will you choose to write a letter to the head of the institute? Right answer is word processor, graphic processor, spreadsheet या notepad. Right answer is word processor. Then virus stand for very important resource under siege, vital information resource under siege, virus information resource under siege, vital information resource under siege. Right answer होची vital information resource under siege 177. Right answer is D. Vital information resource under siege. Virus stand for. What is the full form of email? What is the full form of email? 178. Electromagnetic mail, electronic mail, electric mail, none of the above. Right answer is electronic mail, option number B. Which platform can you use for online meeting? So right answer Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom. So all of the above we use for online meeting. The crime of stealing a password is called surfing, browsing, spoofing and spooling. The crime of stealing a password stealing is called surfing, browsing, spoofing and spooling. Right answer is spoofing. Crime of stealing a password is called spoofing. तो फ्रेंड्स आमने आज प्रीवियस ईयर रे आसथिबा केतोटी क्वेश्चन देखलु कंप्यूटर रो जाकि बहुत इंपोर्टेंट आगामी दिन मानकर आसथिबा एग्जाम रे मध्ये आसीबार बहुत चांसेस अछि तेणु आपण माने प्रिपेयर हो थांतु एवं वीडियो जदि आपनको पसंद लागला ताहले लाइक करिवे एवं वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करिवे जेपरि आउरी नुआ नुआ वीडियो मध्ये आसीबो। थैंक यू सो मच।